If you want to stay hydrated this summer, make my all-natural blue Gatorade. There's a secret ingredient, and I'm using the Flav City coconut and pineapple electrolyte mix. It honestly tastes like the most refreshing lemonade. It's all organic, made with the best quality ingredients. All you do is take some mint, add it to a glass with filtered water, little blue spirulina, lots of lime juice, and the Flav City electrolyte mix packet. Pour it over ice, enjoy, and don't forget to give it a try. If you only have a few minutes, you can make your own vanilla bean hot chocolate at home. Let's go. Take a vanilla bean pod, split it in half, scrape out the seeds, add milk to a pot, add in that vanilla and my favorite golden yellow sugar by Red Path. Add a pinch of salt, the vanilla bean pod, and heat up until steamy. Now chop up unsweetened dark chocolate, add it to a bowl with a few ladles of the hot milk and make sure it melts. Add this back into the pot and cook for a few minutes. I hope you enjoy my favorite family holiday tradition, and don't forget to follow for more. If you're not making Kinder Egg hot chocolate bombs, you're missing out. Let's go. Take a Kinder Surprise egg, break it in half, take out the toy and fill one side with hot chocolate mix and mini marshmallows. Take the empty half, press it into a hot pan for 2 seconds and bind the two sides together. Add hot milk on top and follow for more. If you want to live like an Italian, make affogato. You're going to add vanilla gelato to a cup and a shot of Italian espresso. Enjoy and follow for more. If you've never made lemonade with limes before, you are missing out. This is creamy Brazilian lemonade made with fresh limes, water, ice, lime zest, and sweetened condensed milk. It's creamy, refreshing, and it tastes like summer. If you think your family deserves better, try this recipe and give me a follow. If you have one banana left over and a few minutes to spare, you can make the viral banana milk latte. All you need is milk, banana, a pinch of salt, and vanilla. Give that a blend, pour it over your favorite coffee, and follow for more. Wow. Let me put you onto something. If you add coconut water to a blender, frozen banana, pineapple, a lime wedge, your favorite vanilla protein powder, a dash of cinnamon, a dash of tahini, and a handful of baby spinach, you can blend it, pour it into a glass, and you would have made a skinny protein smoothie that tastes just like key lime pie. This chocolate fudge smoothie is so easy, delicious, healthy, and good for your gut. Let's go. Add all of the ingredients to a blender. I'm adding almond milk, banana, strawberries, avocado, almond butter, chia seeds, unsweetened cocoa or cacao, and 1 or 2 dates for sweetness. Give it a blend, enjoy, and follow for more. There's a secret to keeping cold and flu season away, and it only takes 10 minutes to prep. These are my ginger immune shots. Let's go. To a blender, add 1 whole peeled orange, 2 lemons, lots of ginger, oregano oil or olive oil, a little bit of pepper, and water. Blend it and then pour it through a nut milk bag and strain it. Now we mix the turmeric at the end so that we don't stain our blender. Pour it into your bottles and take a shot every day. Stay healthy and follow me for more. You are missing out if you don't make my healthiest 4-ingredient strawberry refresher, and I promise you'll never go back to Starbucks. All you need is strawberries, honey, and lemon juice. Give that a blend, serve it over ice with your favorite sparkling water, and don't forget to follow for more. This trend is 500 out of 10. The viral snow globe cocktail is totally worth the hype. To the bottom of a freezer-safe glass, add the cranberries, trim the rosemary, and add it upside down. Add a touch of water and freeze for 40 minutes. Once frozen, you could top it off with gin and tonic, vodka soda, or even sparkling water to make it a mocktail. Follow for more. These 5-ingredient spooky cocktails will blow you away. Let's go. I wash the spiders, add them to an ice cube tray, add any juice you like. Freeze, and once frozen, rim the glass with lemon juice and cinnamon sugar. Add the ice cubes to a glass and measure vodka or Prosecco with your heart. Top it off with sparkling water and follow for more. When I'm craving my favorite McDonald's milkshake, I make this healthy version instead. To a blender, we add almond milk, fresh strawberries, quarter cup of cottage cheese, and my favorite vanilla protein powder. Give that a blend, and don't forget, follow for more. If you're not making your own homemade healthy fruit juice, you're missing out. Let's go. To a pot of filtered water, add your favorite fruit and boil for 30 minutes. Remove the boiled fruit from the liquid, but don't discard it because we can process it and make the best puree. For the remaining liquid, you can stir in your favorite sweetener, which is totally optional. Let it chill, enjoy, and don't forget to follow for more. Most people throw out the Nutella jar at the end because the chocolate becomes hard and stale, but we don't want to waste, so we add hot milk, give it a good shake, and you have the best hot chocolate or even chocolate milk instead. Follow for more. All it takes is 5 minutes to make my healthier and very affordable pumpkin spice latte. Let's go. Add the pumpkin puree, maple syrup, pumpkin pie spice, and give it a good mix. Brew your coffee or espresso and add it in and mix again. I warm my milk on the stove, use my frother, add it in, little whipped cream on top, and follow for more.